Hey, welcome to the channel. It's Over the Hill with Will, and I am Will. Today I've got something pretty awesome. I'm going to share this with you because I spent a couple of months trying to figure out different ways I can mount my GoPro to my full face helmet. I saw lots of different hacks, but nothing like real solid that was a good investment to do where I could just mount it and not be permanent. And my good buddy Derek, while we were in Pisgah, said, hey, I have this clip that I bought from Amazon that just clips right onto my helmet. You want to borrow it? And I did. So all my footage from the Pisgah was shot on his clip, and I ordered my own while we were there. And here it is. This right here. It's made by Dango or Dingo. I think it's Dango. It's D-A-N-G-O. Dango. I'll show you some, I'll insert some pictures here of it. So I left it in the package here so you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to mount it to my helmet here in a second, but pretty simple, it comes off and on. So even while we were in Pisgah, I was able to unclip my helmet and get some audio or check. Actually, my GoPro froze up, and so while we were on the trail, it took like 30 seconds to pull my GoPro off my helmet because it's just a clip, and I took it off. So yeah, let's get some shots of that next, and I'll drop a link in the description below. I wanted to share this with everybody because literally this is exactly what I've been looking for. I didn't want to hack it up. I wanted to get something cool like this. All right, so here's some pictures. Check it out, and in a few seconds, I'll mount it to my helmet with the GoPro on it. All right, here we go. All right, so here it is. Here is the clip mounted onto the camera with the GoPro 9. I even have the media mod on it. Check this out. So if you're riding and you need to check your footage, look. That's how easy it is. It just comes off that easy. Put it right back on. You can do it one-handed. I did it in Pisgah. Didn't have any problems. This thing did not fall off. I mean, like literally I had no problems with it whatsoever. I rode 4 days down the hardest core trails that there are. This thing didn't move and recorded some great footage. So here it is. This is it. No more hacks. Just get this, and then not only can you take it, put on different helmets, I can now put this on my downhill helmet, and I don't have to ruin this helmet, or I can roll with it like this, like I like to do. This is better footage. So you're welcome. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Dango. Man, good job on this. Thank you very much. Send us out some free products. We like free products. Everybody have a wonderful day, and hey, get on those pedals and don't forget to push. Peace.